Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. This is the quiz class number 34 and this is the first quiz class on metaphysical and Cavalier poets. So let's start. Today we will discuss some important informations related to these writers. First question. Which metaphysical poet was an inspiration for Wordsworth? So Wordsworth was also inspired by metaphysical poets. Which metaphysical poet inspired him most? Option 1 Henry Vaughan, option 2 John Suckling, option 3 Robert Herrick, and option 4 Andrew Marvell. The right option is option number 1, Henry Vaughan. He famously wrote the poem The Retreat. So Henry Vaughan inspired Wordsworth, romantic poet. Next question. Identify the play written by John Suckling. So you all know John Suckling as a poet, but Suckling has also written a number of plays. You need to identify among these four options which one is a play by John Suckling. Option 1 Scholars, option 2 Goblins, option 3 To Althea from Prison, and option 4 A Prayer to Ben Jonson. The right option is option number 2 Goblins. And another important thing is that this play Goblins has a reference to The Tempest. That's why it becomes important. And Suckling has written some other important plays also like Aglora, Sad One, etc. So the plays are not so important, but you need to know at least the titles. Okay. And Goblins is important because it has a reference to The Tempest. Next question. Robert Herrick's Hesperides is a collection of how many poems? And if essays, then how many essays? So Hesperides is a collection of option 1 50 poems and 4 essays, option 2 1000 poems and 100 essays, option 3 1400 poems, and option 4 2000 lyrics. The right option is option number 3. So Hesperides is a collection of poems. It has no essays. Okay. Next question. In which poem do you find the comparison of a lover's heart to a hand grenade? Metaphysical conceit. You all know metaphysical poets are famous for using conceits, the far-fetched comparison between two dissimilar objects. Right? So in which poem do you find the comparison of a lover's heart to a hand grenade? Option 1 Daffodils, option 2 Given Heart, option 3 Love's Riddle, and option 4 Why So Pale and Wan Fond Lovers. What is the right option? The right option is option number 2 Given Heart. It is a poem by Abraham Cowley. Next question. Sun is called glorious lamp of heaven in poems of which metaphysical poet? Sun is called as glorious lamp of heaven by whom? Option 1 Henry Vaughan, option 2 John Donne, option 3 Robert Herrick, and option 4 Abraham Cowley. So what is the right option? The right option is Robert Herrick, option number 3. Robert Herrick has called sun as glorious lamp of heaven. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Who consoles Ben Jonson for the failure of his play The New Inn? The New Inn was one of the earliest plays written by Ben Jonson, written during his early career, and it was a great failure. So after its failure, a famous metaphysical poet has consoled Ben Jonson. So who is the poet? Option 1 Abraham Cowley, option 2 Thomas Carew, Option 3 Robert Herrick. Option 4 John Donne. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2, Thomas Carew. Thomas Carew consoled Ben Jonson for the failure of his play The New Inn. Next question. Which metaphysical poet was famously known for writing pattern poetry? Pattern poetry is a specific kind of poetry in which the poems are written in such a format that it created a picture with words on the page. So that's why it is known as pattern poetry. You can Google the images of pattern poetry, you will find it out. It looks very interesting. The format of the poem looks very interesting. A picture drawn with words, something like that. So who was famously known for writing this kind of poems, pattern poetry? Option 1 George Herbert. Option 2 Robert Herrick. Option 3 Andrew Marvell. And option 4 Henry Vaughan. The right option is George Herbert. George Herbert wrote pattern poetry. Okay. Next question. I struck the board and cried no more is a famous line from which poem? Option 1 The World. Option 2 The Temple. Option 3 The Caller. And option 4 To the Virgins. I struck the board and cried no more. This is a famous line from The Caller. It is the most famous poem written by George Herbert. Question number 9. Identify the play written by Abraham Cowley. Again, Abraham Cowley is known for his poetry, but he has written some plays which are not so important, but you need to know the title at least. Option 1 Poetical Glossaries. Option 2 Davies. Option 3 Love's Riddle. And option 4 none of the above. Which one is a play by Abraham Cowley? The right option is Love's Riddle, option number 3. Davies is a kind of epic poem, and Abraham Cowley has also written another play, The Guardian. So Love's Riddle and The Guardian are the two plays by Abraham Cowley. Last question. Who is famously known as Second Herbert? Second George Herbert. Option 1 Richard Crashaw. Option 2 Robert Herrick. Option 3 Henry Vaughan. And option 4 John Donne. So what is the right option? The right option is Richard Crashaw, option number 1. Richard Crashaw is famously known as the Second Herbert. Okay. So that's it for this quiz class. I hope this class helped you a lot to gain some new informations. Thank you very much. Keep on watching Dynamic Study. Keep on learning. We will meet very soon in another interesting class. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and also share your feedbacks in the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye bye.